Woof, 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 woof. Oh no! Another fox. What does the fox say? I don't know.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi princesses, it's Rapunzel. Hi princesses, it's Snow White. Today we're gonna be playing Count Your Chickens.
The baby chicks have flown the coop and are running loose on the farm. Whoever can collect the most chicks wins an egg surprise!
Yay!
Let's see who can do the best animal noises.
Let's do pig. Oink, oink, oink. Now we're gonna do the dog. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Next, we have the sheep. Bah, bah. Oh no, how are we gonna make a tractor noise? Click, 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 click. Now we're gonna do the cow. Moo! Woo! And lastly, we're gonna do the fox. What does the fox say? I don't know.
How about a quick game of paper, rock, scissors to see who goes first?
Paper, rock, scissors. Paper, rock, scissors. Paper, rock, scissors. Paper, rock, scissors. Aha! I get to go first. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna go first. We're gonna spin. I got the tractor, so we're gonna move 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, there's an extra chick here, so we get an extra one. That's 5. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of chicks! 5 chicks! It's my turn. Hopefully we get something good. I got another tractor. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. Let's collect 7 chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! Looks like we're 2 behind. Let's catch up. I got the pig. Let's see how many we move. 1, 2, 3. I get to pick up 3 chicks. 1, 2, 3. It's my turn. Oh no, I got the fox. I have to put one back. Darn. All right, there you go, Chickie. Our turn again. I don't want the fox. Let's see what we get. I got the dog. We're gonna move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spaces. So let's pick up 7 chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's a lot! Hopefully we get lucky too. I got a cow. Let's see how many spaces we get to move. 1, 2. Just 2? Okay, let's get our chicks. 1, 2. Let's keep up the good work. Let's see what we get. We got the pig. Let's see. We get to move 1, 2. 2 spaces. So we're gonna take 1, 2, 2 chicks to the coop. Snow White has a lot of chicks. We need to catch up. Oh no, I have to put one back again. Here you go. Okay, looks like we're halfway there. Let's keep going. We got the tractor. Aw, we only get to move one. We'll take one chick home. Hopefully I get the dog. Let's try. Oh no, the fox again. I have to put one back. Here you go. Haha, Rapunzel's not having very good luck. I got the cow. We're gonna move 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. We're gonna take 3 chicks. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look how many I have. Look how many I have. We need to catch up. I got a tractor. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's get my 3 chicks. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Mother Hen's about to come home. Let's hurry. I got the dog. And it comes with a chick. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Plus 1 is 4. We're gonna take 4 chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. She is always so lucky. Oh no, another box. Oh, let's put one back. I think we're gonna win, but let's keep trying. Yay, we got the sheep. We get to move 1, 2, 2 spaces. So we're gonna take 2 more. We need to try to win. Never give up. Okay, I got the pig. 1, 2, and it comes with an extra chick. So I'm gonna get 3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's time for Mama Hen to come home. We got the sheep. Yay, they're all on here. Let's count to see how many chicks we got. I'll go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11. Let's count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's too many.
Since you saved the most chicks, you win an egg surprise.
Thank you. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, it's a Disney Junior Doc McStuffins blind bag. I wonder which one we got. Let's open it. It's Dash. Okay, hold on. Okay. What does she do this? Click, 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 click. Broken tractor.
Like a ghost cat.
Yeah. If you like more Princess Playtime, please subscribe. Bye, princesses. Bye.
Pie Face Showdown! Going down, Evan?
You're gonna get destroyed first.
Ooh.
What? Oh! fell off.
Okay.
Oh, the arm fell off now. Oh, we're just having a bad time, yeah.
Okay.